Hi guys, welcome back. This time I'm going to show you the process of updating and upgrading your AT9 radio. So it's quite easy. All you need to do, or all you need to have, is a mini USB cable that I got around here somewhere. Here it is. A mini USB cable, those common cables for smartphones and whatever. You need to download the drivers from the RadioLink website, and I'm going to pull the laptop over here for you guys to see. So you need to have the drivers, you need to download the drivers. So first of all, you need to have this one, this Windows Win 8 driver install. Let me show you. Actually, let's try and go to the RadioLink website. And I'm gonna try and show you guys. So the first time you open it, let me see if I can show you guys the Chinese version. It will appear like this on Chinese characters. You just go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page. There's an English tab over here on the bottom. Let me see if I can put the camera a little bit closer for you guys to see. So there's an English tab over here on the bottom. You just press it, everything goes to English. Then you go ahead up here on resource. You have a download link. Press that, and then over here on the middle of the page you have an AT9 9-channel transmitter VUP download. Go ahead and press that. Excuse me. Next thing you're going to need is the driver. So you have over here an AT9 remote control upgrade driver for Windows 7, Windows 8, and XP also. So go ahead and press this link, open in a new tab or whatever. This will appear. Do not be afraid, it's all in Chinese. But you go ahead and press this button over here on the side of this blue button over there. Just go ahead and press it, and the download will start immediately for you. There it is. This driver install. So I'm going to cancel that because I got that already. Then you're going to need also, the excuse me, the utility. It's the firmware upgraded this file over here. This will be the utility. Just go ahead and download that as well. So it will appear as USB util 1.2 Windows 7 blah blah blah. So I'm going to cancel that also. And then scroll a little bit down, and you have the firmware upgrade version, this v1.1.8. So we go ahead and download this one. This is just specification, which changes are in that actual firmware. So we just go ahead and download this one, same process as the other ones, and you're good to go. So now all you need to do is first of all install the driver. How do you do that? It's quite simple. Just go ahead and pick up your radio. On the bottom, as I told you before, let me see if I can show you this. On the bottom there's a little door over here that you need to take out this little cap. So there's your USB port over there. Just connect your USB cable in it, and then go ahead and connect your radio to the computer. Nothing will happen until you actually turn on the radio. So go ahead and turn it on. Computer will recognize it immediately, and you don't need to wait for Windows to install the driver or whatever. Just go ahead. In my case, the driver is already installed, but I'm going to repeat the process for you guys to see. So just go ahead and extract the software that you download earlier, and go ahead and Win8 driver. Let me see if I can show this better. So over there, Win8 driver, you just go ahead and open that and excuse me, run this software. Just go ahead and run it. It will automatically detect your RadioLink AT9, as you can see over there. And then this, instead of saying reinstall driver, it will say install driver. So all you have to do is install that driver and you're good to go. Then after that, you go back and excuse me, my throat is killing me. You go to USB util 1.2 Win 7. You open that and just run the application over here at the bottom that says USB util. Just run it. It will recognize your radio device connected right there. Just press OK, and then you're going to choose a DFU file. It's the file, the firmware file that you download earlier. So go ahead and choose it. Go to your location where you have that. So I have the download over here. So it's AT9 RadioLink DFU version 1.1.8. So go ahead and select that one. Press open, and you're going to have the file selected over here. Okay. So next step is to press download. Go ahead and download. It will erase the EEPROM first on the radio. You will not lose your settings, your previous settings on the that you had on the radio for other models. Doesn't matter. You will not lose them. So you just wait for that little bar to reach its reach the end over there. A little bit more. Let's just wait. That does. The radio keeps blinking. The two LEDs are always blinking, and as soon as you reach the end of it, it will say download OK. Just press OK. You can close this and go ahead to the radio and just power cycle it. Shut it down. You can remove the USB cable. Let me put the laptop over there, and now as you'll see, just turn it on, and there you go. So if we go to your parameter, go in there, and there you go. There you have it, version 1.1.8, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Nothing fancy, nothing too difficult to do. So now you're good to go. So you have the latest firmware on your AT9 transmitter. Hope that helped, and thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye.